So many times I question the circumstances and the things I could not understand. So many times the trials, all the words in my vision, and frustrations kept me so out of hand. And then I am reminded I've never been forsaken. I'll never have to stand one test alone. Then I look upon my victories, the spirit rising up in me, and it's true to find that my weaknesses made strong. He gave a promise that the cross will not get heavy, and the hills will not be high. I know in myself that I will surely perish, and if I trust the hand of God,